Can we be compulsive good finders and appreciate? Because media, a lot of, nothing against anything, but we need to change. We have learned to live with compromises. We have learned to live with problems. We have accepted low standards as that will be how it will be. One of you sitting here might have saved 100 lives. There are some amazing people sitting here. I wish there is a way by which we can bring in all the good people and show the world how many wonderful people are there in this world. Wonderful people are there in the world. But because you are wonderful, you won't make headlines. Instead of saving 100 lives, if one of you have killed only one person, everybody will know you. You will come in headlines. Negativity will make headlines. Positivity will not, because media will sensationalize what is negative. What they don't like about me, they will write. What they like about me, they won't write. That's okay. And now with social media, you all have become journalists yourself. In fact, there is no authenticity also. Anybody says, sorry to say this, this must be used, okay? Anything comes in WhatsApp, even without thinking whether it's real or not, somebody says, do like this, diabetes will go. Next day, everybody starts doing like this. Diabetes from that day, they are telling in front of Pulyar, now WhatsApp says something, then immediately everybody starts doing that. There's no authenticity. In fact, we have reached the stage where negative is getting broadcasted so much, everybody looks wrong, everything is wrong. Can we bring about a transformation? Such a simple prescription for all of us to practice. Anything positive, we'll speak in 5 sentences. Anything negative, only 1 sentence. Which means if you're feeling healthy and somebody is asking you, how are you? In 5 sentences, you will tell them how healthy and fit and energetic and nice that you're feeling about the whole thing. You're having headache and somebody asks you, how are you? Only 1 sentence. Headache. Don't speak about your headache till he gets headache. 12:30 program gets over. And those of you who are not going home for lunch and you're going to a restaurant for lunch and you're having your lunch, and in case it's good, tell the bearer, I want to see the chef. Normally when you tell a bearer, I want to see the chef, means what? Can we change that? In fact, chef is coming with a lot of defense. Yeah, what? No, amazing food. If he doesn't get heart attack. You're going home and you're eating. It's good. Only dogs, when pedigree is given, without looking this side or that side, will go on eating. Human beings means when you eat, that woman who is standing there and serving, you should look at her and tell, Nanna irukuma. Those of you who focus so much on the plate without raising your head, in my mind, you know what I'm thinking. Evening, you ask for coffee, and coffee comes, you taste, coffee is amazing. You're going to immediately say, Ma, or in some houses, Pa. Coffee is amazing. But generally, when my mother makes coffee, it's good only. So, is it necessary for me to say? Suppose sugar was not there, will you say it? Yes. Suppose it was not hot, will you say it? Yes. Suppose it was not strong enough, will you say it? Yes. Suppose it was too strong, will you say it? Yes. If you think it's your bloody right to criticize every time it is wrong, then it's also your bloody responsibility to appreciate every time it's right. Forget it. Think about the world we'll have. Think about 3,500 of us. Every day, at least we speak about something good, 5 sentences. Think about the feel we'll have. Not one person will think life is beautiful. All of us will believe life is beautiful. Not one Madhurashtakam has to be sung, Adaram Madhuram. All of us will feel everything around us is Madhuram. But if everything around us we have to feel Madhuram, then we have to broadcast what is right and good a lot more. We commit to become compulsive good finders. See, I'm not speaking big thing about karma, rebirth, transcendental. Chumma chumma things. By decision, you can transform yourself. You have to just make this decision. You don't have to take notes. You don't have to go and contemplate. You don't have to stand for 18 years to think. Abhi, no, nothing. Simple day-to-day implementations. Compulsive good finders. Never miss an opportunity to appreciate anything negative one sentence, anything positive in 5 sentences. And just imagine the sort of world we will create if we can be a world of compulsive good finders and we never miss an opportunity to appreciate what is good and what is right.